Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out this swag interior dressing cream satin plus lady detailing care, nice long name, which I received from automotionwebshop.hu. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. I will clean some plastic surfaces first and then I will apply this product on the plastic to see what's going on. Yeah, it should be, or it's supposed to be rather, a product for the ladies. Let's roll.
Got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my
I wish you'd stay, but there you go. I have so much I wanna say to you, much I wanna say, but there's no time. We used it all. Still have so much I wanna talk about, but I messed it up and there you go. Oh, 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 oh. There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close, oh, 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 so close, closer than it felt before. Forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna be with you. I should be with you. So much that I would change about the way I treated you. I don't deserve a second chance. I know that I'm way too late, cause I messed it up and there you go. Oh, 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 oh. There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close, oh, 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 so close, closer than it felt before. Forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna be with you. I should be with you.
Alright, boys and girls, that was the swag interior dressing cream satin plus lady detailing care. Scent-wise, it has a scent of, I would say, like a satsuma. For me, at least, it smells like satsumas. And other than that, it was easy to apply, easy to buff. I had to wait around 5 minutes to buff, so in the meantime, I was just dancing and singing because girls just want to have fun. What else? Yeah, it should have like some sort of satin look or a bit more silky look. For me, it was a bit on the glossier side, not too glossy, but a little glossy. But it might be different on different types and color of plastics. On this particular one, that's what at least I've sensed, felt, seen, call it however you want. But all in all, I can hands-on recommend. It's a good stuff. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.